Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. I'm really excited to share this video. I am 20 weeks pregnant and I'm getting ready to go away on a trip. And so I wanted to share like essential items that you should take with you on a BabyMoon. So I'm just gonna dive right in with you guys today. Okay, so let's work from like top down, in, out. Let's do that. So I'm totally gonna rock one of these on my trip. These have all of my prenatals in it, all of my vitamins, and it also I take biotin for my hair because I love my hair. So, since I'm going away for more than a week, I double up based off of the days, and it just makes sure that I actually take them. So this is the first thing that I would say to take. Okay, number 2. These are like 2 and 3 are kind of like travel related. I bring headphones, so I bring wireless Bluetooth speakers, headphones. This is just a brand that I bought off Amazon and I love it. Ikwanzi. Other thing for traveling, the third thing, compression socks. So they're not like the cutest unless you're a jock or an athlete and you're used to wearing these. I'm not currently in this season of life, and so these are super tight. These are ones I got off Amazon as well. I'll post the links below for all this stuff, but these are awesome. So this came in a 3-pack, so I'm taking all 3 with me just because I'm gonna be on an airplane, I'm gonna be in Ubers, and we might take a hike, so I just wanna make sure that I have these with me on my BabyMoon. 4 is a journal. So I'm actually planning my baby nursery in this, and I'm gonna have downtime. So I always say on your BabyMoon, I have 5 months left. I'm halfway cooked. That's what I like to tell people. And so I have a lot of planning still to do. So just make sure to have a pen and paper with you or an iPad or whatever. We're also taking our iPad with us. But I definitely will be using this because I'm just one to like write things out. Number 5, so Dramamine or C-bands, depending on, like, you may talk to your doctor and they may not let you take these pregnant. I am allowed to take them, so I am taking both a C-band for nausea and Dramamine. These are like must-haves, especially if you're queasy or you get boat or motion sickness. We're going on a cruise, so I have a bunch of these with me just in case. Next is a fun one, pregnancy cravings. Okay, so obviously you can buy food wherever you go in the world, hopefully. We're going on a cruise. We're gonna have more than enough. However, I am taking like snacks this trip, things that I definitely will crave. That I might be harder to find. Hydration. This is like really, really important. So water. I pre-ordered water to be in my room upon arrival. Cruises allow you to do that. Some hotels do that for you. You can pay. The point is just having water with you because the cups you get on the cruise boat are like little, and being pregnant, you just want to make sure you're hydrated, especially in warmer climate trips. Number 8. So this is just fun. Go ahead and buy yourself some really cute maternity clothing options. So this is just a beach cover up that I got off Amazon. I love it. It has these like really cute little tassels on it, and I'm really excited. It's gonna look super cute on. I've already tried it on. So really excited to have a beach cover up, pool cover up that makes me feel great. With that, I also bought bathing suits. I bought enough bathing suits for like 1 for every 2 days. Ones that I felt really comfortable in, ones that I thought were really cute. I also brought maternity underwear, just like loose fitting, because it's gonna be hot, and like I said, I'm 20 weeks along and I just wanna be comfortable. Anyway, just get yourself some really cute maternity stuff. So guys, another really important thing, that when you're traveling pregnant, you're obviously far from home, from like where you would normally deliver and have a baby. So if you're traveling, I tell everyone, just make sure that you have like all your documents in one place. So every trip that we go on, I actually make myself like a travel binder. Yes, some people think it's cumbersome, but I love it. I literally have it like organized based off of like trip info, all of our flight info. I also have some medical documents in here. My birth plan is in here depending on how far along I am, just because if, God forbid, I was like traveling way later than I should be, regardless of where I am, there's like a plan of action, hopefully, because of like us just being more hormonal while we're pregnant. It's really easy to get like upset quicker and faster. So I feel like this as actually like emotional support when I travel. I know it might sound funny, but it's true. And I know going into this trip, like I know where everything is. I am rocking 2 pieces, so I'm definitely gonna have sunscreen and belly butter with me this trip. and sunglasses. So just make sure you have those 3 items. I kind of group those together because they're like sun protectant. Hair ties are a must. Currently I have no makeup on, my hair is wild, but if you're a mom traveling with kids, definitely make sure to like take care of yourself. Don't forget the things that you need to like function. And that's it, guys. So I hope that was helpful. I hope these items encourage you and excite you for your trip. They're really basic, but again, they're necessities too. So prenatals, water, hydration option, your pregnancy cravings, not like a ton of them, but just what you need. Journal and magazines for nursery planning or like thinking through your registry while you're away. Medication, nausea stuff, socks, good shoes, compression socks, and even cute maternity clothes that make you feel like a babe while you're traveling. Be sure to check out our other 2 videos that we just put out. One is packing for a 7 to 9 day cruise, whether you're pregnant or not, and then another one is just essentials for traveling on a cruise. This will be our 3rd cruise, and we just want to help people plan.